Welcome back to the channel. Today's going to be a super quick video. I'm just going to be explaining how you can transfer cryptocurrency, especially Ethereum, from your Coinbase account into your Metamask wallet. Now, if you already have Metamask installed as well as a Coinbase account, go ahead and skip to the next part of the video. I'm just going to briefly explain the difference between Coinbase and Metamask and why you need to transfer from Coinbase into Metamask. So if you have a Coinbase account, that's actually not a cryptocurrency wallet. It's a crypto exchange platform. So you can buy and sell different types of cryptocurrencies, but you're actually not holding it in a physical crypto wallet. And MetaMask is essentially a crypto wallet. It's a Google Chrome extension that you can download super easily, and that allows you to buy and sell things using MetaMask through Opensea. All right, so you need two things in order to transfer. You need the MetaMask and the Coinbase, right? So MetaMask, simply just type in MetaMask in Google, click on it, and then you can download it. It's a Google Chrome extension. So download it, and you got to set up your account. And then log into your Coinbase account. And once you have those two steps down, it makes it super simple to transfer from Coinbase into MetaMask. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to go up here to send receive, click on the send part, and you're going to want to know what you want to transfer. So let's use Ethereum in this example. Let's say we want to buy something on Opensea, which is the Ethereum marketplace. Then we can choose a number, and since I only have $28, let's just do 20 bucks. And then you're going to want to know where to send it to. And that's where your MetaMask wallet comes in handy. And if you click on your Google Chrome extension, it's going to bring up your MetaMask wallet. So obviously I have $3.68 or 0.0013 Ethereum. And what you want to do is you can go to account details, and that's going to display your crypto wallet. So I can copy that to my clipboard, go back to Coinbase, and paste that right there. So essentially this is my crypto wallet. So if I copy and pasted that correctly, it's going to transfer this $20 into my MetaMask wallet. And I can add an optional note or whatever. And then I can hit continue. So then it's going to bring you to this summary where it's going to show you the Coinbase fee as well as the network fee. So it looks like I'm paying 0.001071 Ethereum to transfer this, or $3.13 since I'm trying to transfer $20. So then I can hit send now. And then it's going to advise me that transactions usually take less than 10 minutes. Normally it's pretty quick. So I can hit done and know that this much Ethereum is going to be in my crypto wallet. So if I go back to my MetaMask, I can see that that money has already been transferred. I have that $23.65, and it shows that I received $19.97. So that after fees and everything, that's how much money I get put. So keep that in mind when you're transferring from Coinbase to MetaMask. You want to limit the number of times you send crypto over to your MetaMask, because every time you do that, you're going to get hit with fees. So you want to make sure that you're sending big quantities so you don't have to transfer as often, because then you're paying less in fees overall. All right, so super simple. Hopefully you enjoyed that video. Before you go, please subscribe, smash the like button. I appreciate it so much. Please leave a comment if you have other questions, and enjoy the rest of your day.